The Barnes and Ivy Rosslyn? The KCO Mid-Century or Civaza? Perhaps the Permo Vintage or the Cura Home Cambridge? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 wall sconces available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best wall sconces. The 5th product on this list is the Civaza Wall Sconce. This set of wall sconces relieves you from the hassle of changing the light bulbs. It features a wireless remote control dimmable bulb and is suitable for everyday use in your bedroom, lounge, or farmhouse. Each sconce has 7-watt energy-saving bulbs that provide plenty of light without overpowering your space. It will be able to control the dimming or brightening of your lights with a simple press of a button, which makes these a practical solution to all kinds of lighting problems. Also, it has a straightforward installation system that makes it perfect for any room in your home. Moreover, it has a rechargeable battery that can run for hours without worrying about running out of power. The remote control dimming can be set anywhere between 1 to 100%, making it ideal for all moods and atmospheres. The warm white light from the LED bulb gives you a soft glow that can set the mood for whatever you need. We like this wall sconce that can be easily installed in any indoor area without the help of an electrician. It keeps you safe when walking through dark areas of your house or outdoors at night. Furthermore, its classic style and soft, warm light easily blend in with any room decor for a final touch of elegance. Whether you're decorating your home, office, or business, this versatile wall sconce will add style and personality to your space. Its pros are its great-looking design with premium construction, it has a pretty convenient battery pack setup, and it offers excellent dimming control from 1 to 100%. However, you must be careful during installation because the provided screws strip very easily. The Civaza wall sconce is perfect for quickly adding a touch of class to your interior design, as well as extra lighting. Up next in 4th place is the Cura Home Cambridge. This unit adds a modern yet elegant look to your space. These wall sconces are ready to be used in any room of your home for beautiful candlelight or dimmable LED bulbs. It features an adjustable gooseneck and rotates 120 degrees to provide the perfect light where you need it most. It also has a built-in dimmer switch to adjust brightness as needed, while its stylish design and compact size make it perfect for various settings. In addition, the frame is crafted from black metal with a fabric shade that comes in a golden bronze finish, making it an ideal addition to your living room, family room, and more. This wall sconce is available in 2-piece packs featuring plug-in and wall mount designs and 3 style options: transitional, traditional, or contemporary. We like that each sconce comes complete with an Underwriter Laboratories listed bulb to provide optimal safety for all settings. What's more, the 3-way bulb compatibility and the intelligent plug of these sconces are compatible with many electrical devices. It can seamlessly connect to your voice assistant or innovative home system using an easy setup that requires no tools. This pack of 2 at-home wall sconces can be easily installed in any room or on your porch. Furthermore, its stately design, geometric shape, and sleek minimalistic features make it a perfect addition to any interior. The versatile design works in just about any room, while the fabric shade gives a warm glow. Its pros are its 270-degree swing arm tucks neatly against the wall when not in use. It is compatible with a variety of light bulbs with 150 watts of incandescent LED and CFL bulbs, as well as smart plugs and 3-way bulbs. And it casts light above and below, offering plenty of light for bedside reading, writing, knitting, and more. However, the wall anchors supplied are not particularly strong, so you may want to purchase some more robust ones before setting it up. The Cura Home Cambridge is the ideal lighting solution for any transitional space. The swing arm design allows you to direct light exactly where it's needed most. Still haven't found a wall sconce that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Permo Vintage. This next unit has a double arm and 2 flared linen fabric shades that evoke a rich, vintage charm. This light fixture is hardwired and has a maximum wattage of 60 watts. It is compatible with several light bulb types, including incandescent, halogen, compact fluorescent light, and LED. The two linen fabric flared shade arms with classic fluted detail adorn illuminated bulbs in the center, creating a simple yet elegant look. Also, the two lights have a linen fabric flared shade and measure over 3 inches wide at their widest point, giving your room or space extra height. Moreover, the light sits on the arms, which can be adjusted outwards or inwards. The component can be rotated to change direction, and the bulb is screwed in flush with the socket so that you can easily change it if needed. We also like that this vintage-inspired double wall sconce is lightweight and compact. Additionally, these sconces have clearly been created with great care for materials and craftsmanship. It is an eco-friendly material, easy to clean, and will not fade with time. This authentic vintage style is a statement piece in your home. Its simple elegance and flared shade pair ideally to create a glamorous look. This type of lighting can be used anywhere in your home or office, and let this vintage double sconce take your room decor to a special place. Its pros are, its compatible bulb types include incandescent, halogen, compact fluorescent light, and LED. It has 2 elegant arms and 2 linen fabric flared shades, creating an exquisitely well-balanced look. And its fabric shades disperse light in all directions, perfect for lighting general areas. However, it requires hardwire installation, so you may need to hire an electrician. The Permo Vintage is a classic that never goes out of style. This timeless yet trendy everyday lighting fixture is the perfect addition to any room in your home. The second product on this list is the Barnes and Ivy Rosslyn. This wall sconce is inspired by the architecture and design of the French country style. It uses standard medium base light bulbs up to 60 watts and swivels into the desired position for optimum lighting. It is crafted of resin and features faux leather shades, giving it a classic look. The swing arm design allows you to move the lamp into the desired position, while the bronze finish creates an elegant look that complements your home. This plug-in wall lamp has a bronze finish and a swing arm design, allowing you to move the light into the desired position. In addition, the maximum arm extension of 13 inches gives you the flexibility you need to customize your lighting. We like that this swing arm lamp provides that soft lighting you need at night when reading or working on paperwork. It is durable, easy to install, and uses one standard base bulb. As it ages, this lovely lamp will become a treasured piece of your decor. It allows you to transform your space's look and feel and invite light that will enhance any room. Its pros are, its swing arm has a good extension length, so you can move it around to light up different areas. It is constructed from high-quality material in a tasteful French country style, and its plug-in design makes it easy to install with no wiring required. However, its dimmer switch is not always the easiest to turn. The Barnes and Ivy Rosslyn is a beautiful and effective unit that would be ideal for the bedroom or study, and would also add style to dining areas and living rooms. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top wall sconce is the KCO Mid-Century. This high-quality modern wall light creates a warm and inviting ambience in your home or office. This mid-century modern wall-mounted light features a classic drop design that will blend with any interior decor. It is made from sturdy steel with a brushed brass finish and can be mounted on horizontal and vertical walls. The chrome-finished hardware and glass diffusers are built to complement this lamp's simple yet elegant style. This beautiful sconce features a natural wood finished wall plate and an adjustable arm to direct the light where you need it. Additionally, you can also choose to swivel the lamp head side to side or front to back, while its energy-efficient LED bulbs provide 400 lumens of warm white illumination, perfect for primary or accent lighting in your home. Moreover, with its brushed brass finish and minimalist design, this light fixture will surely complement any living space. The significant drop design immediately catches your attention and proves to be striking on any wall. It is an excellent choice for room illumination for those seeking an elegant yet unobtrusive light fixture. We like that it includes mounting hardware and all necessary accessories for installation. With a diameter of around 7.9 inches and a height of 17.7 inches, this warm light fixture will look great wherever you place it. Lastly, with its beautiful design, easy installation, and low maintenance, anyone can enjoy it. This simple yet versatile wall sconce is sure to add instant character to any living space. Its pros are, it's an amazingly unique and premium design with metal construction. It allows you to use any bulb of your choice for desired brightness and colors. Its adjustable arm directs the light when you need it, and it connects to wall sockets, so there's no need to worry about battery life or hardwiring it to a light fixture. However, it does not come with a bulb. The KCO mid-century wall sconce is perfect for creating ambient lighting at the end of a hallway or along a stairwell. This antique-style pendant light fixture is great for bathrooms, hallways, bedrooms, kitchens, and many other places. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.